All right, what's up, guys? We got the Ninja H2SX back from the dealership. We're going to talk about how much the repairs cost the insurance company and how much they've cost me. Because to be honest, I haven't been too happy with this experience. But yeah, let's hop on the bike, go for a little ride, and talk about it. Alright guys, well 2 months later I finally got the bike back. If you remember, around February 11th or the 12th, a little doe ran out, hit me on the left side, basically T-boned me, hit me right here, pretty much tore up the whole front end. And I'll post up the repair cost for Mountain Motorsports, but just over $13,300 worth of damage. Yeah, if I were to go back and do this all over again, I probably would have just ordered the parts by myself and fixed it. The radar cover didn't get ordered, but I got charged for it, and I had to buy that off eBay and get it. And then when I got up under there to put it on, I could see zip ties holding on to other pieces. So I've had to order some more stuff. So basically I'm going to end up taking the whole front end of the bike apart and going through it and seeing what else got left off in the repair. So total rip off for State Farm and me, you know. I mean, it's kind of disappointing that happened and that's the case, but I mean, it is what it is. You know, can't do nothing about it now. Lesson learned for next time though. Alright, and all that being said about not really trusting about how it went back together and everything, I'm going to have to talk to them about that speed pass, because, you know, to go ahead and pay up front for like the 5 or 6 services, or 3 years, whichever comes first, and then to immediately have the bike hit, going through repairs, and then to get it back not how I would expect to get it back, you know, from the dealership. It's just really been disappointing. So I got to figure that out and try to get my money back from it, because I think I'll be doing everything on it from here on out. It's nice to finally have it back though. I've rode it to work a couple times. The weather here in Georgia has been kind of stupid. You know, I mean, I've put basically 200 miles on it since I've got it back. And I did get it back, what was it, last weekend? The same weekend that I got the Triumph. I had to pick this up as well. As the weather warms up and the rain stops, I will be riding it, putting more miles on it so I can better compare it to the Ninja 1000. And right now, you know, when I do ride it, I really do enjoy riding it. It's been fun to ride back and forth to work, but the power on it, it's really hard to not want to just like lay into it. And then also just around on the slower roads, you know, I mean, it's like half the time you don't even have to get out of 4th gear on this. I mean, it's so crazy. And which, you know, I mean, that's going to be any leader bike, right? You know, just the way they're geared and the power and everything in them. But it just blows my mind how effortless it is. You know, I hadn't maxed out 1st gear on this, but I have had it up to 80 at 1st gear, which just is retarded. Almost as retarded as that squatted truck right there. I will say one thing on the comfort level on this bike. This is way more comfortable than the Speed Twin. I just got to get comfortable and used to sitting on that bike. guys, as you can see, man, this bike is a beast. I'm glad to have it back. I'm looking forward to putting miles on it. So y'all hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the notifications, follow along as we're getting videos going with this bike and the other bikes, of course. Next week, we're taking the Speed 1200 Cafe Racer to the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, so stay tuned for that. As always, man, ride safe and be blessed. We'll see y'all on the next one.